Hello, friends. I found out today that today is National Scribble Day, and we have the perfect book to go with that called I'm Not Just a Scribble that I want to read to you today. It's written and illustrated by Diane Alber. This is a story about Scribble, whose lines would cross and wiggle. Tiny loops would start him small, bigger swirls would make him tall. He could be shades of green or baby blue, even crazy colors. He loved them too. Choosing bright colors made him feel free. You never knew which one he would be. Which one's your favorite scribble on here? I think I like this one with all the different colors. So fun. Then one day, Scribble took a short walk, where he found a house and stopped to talk. "Hello," said Scribble. "It's such a great day. I thought I'd come over and we could all play." The house never saw anything like Scribble before, but he was curious enough to find out a bit more. So even though he was grumpy and didn't want to play, he still managed to grunt, "What are you, anyway?" Ooh, look at Scribble's face, like, ooh, ooh. Scribble was confused and didn't know what to say, so he said to the house, "I'm just a scribble. Is that okay?" "It's not okay," said the house. "You don't look right. Your lines aren't straight and your colors are too bright." "But color is fun," Scribble said. "I can show you why. Just give me a chance. Please let me try." "No," said the house. "You cannot stay. You're nothing like me. Now go away." Ooh, goodness gracious. Hearing those words made Scribble so sad, a tear ran down his face. He felt really bad. "But I won't be upset," he proclaimed that day. So he changed his colors and went on his way. Well, what a good attitude to have. Not gonna let that grouchy old house make him upset. He continued his walk and soon found the sun. Along with the clouds, they could all have some fun. But the sun saw him coming and told him to stop. "Your lines are too messy and we don't have a mop. Turn around, little Scribble," he went on to say. "Go back to your home. Please just go away." "But you're not being nice," Scribble shouted, quite mad. "The fact that I'm different doesn't make me so bad. My colors are special and my lines are just fine. If you'd give me a chance, we could have a great time." "Should we ask him to play?" they huddled to discuss. "It's fun with more friends. It's usually just us." And although they were worried this wouldn't work out, being mean to Scribble wasn't what they were about. "Oh, thank goodness. I thought they were going to be like the house again and be so rude. I think they're going to let him play." Whew. Scribble was surprised at what he saw the next day. All the drawings were there, and they wanted to play. Even Rainbow showed up, and he never came by. He was standing right there near the sun in the sky. "We're so sorry," said the clouds as they held back their tears. Please come play," said the house. "We haven't had fun in years." Even the house showed up. Yay! Look at his face. How do you think he feels now? Did you say surprised? That's what I think. "I forgive you," Scribble shouted as he did a happy dance. They were so grateful he gave them another chance. That's important to do for our friends, isn't it? Even when we mess up, we want them to forgive us, so we should forgive them too. Scribble gathered up his colors and played with everyone. Blue, purple, green, and yellow. It was all so much fun. Look what they created when they finally came together. The art was so beautiful and it was better than ever. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. And that is the end. So on Scribble Day, I know that I'm going to get off of here and I'm going to go make a scribble picture. And if you make a scribble picture, share it so I can see it and share it so all your friends can see it. And let me know what your scribble is doing and maybe even give your scribble a name or tell me what your scribble likes to do. Scribbles are great because they can be anything and you can make up a whole story about it. I hope you have fun with your scribble art today. See you guys.